Hey guys, Britt Treese here from WB Treese Consultants. We are on site in Jacksonville, North Carolina, inspecting this commercial multifamily property with Kelly from Safe Harbor Home Inspections.
If you need a commercial inspection in the Eastern North Carolina area, I have the connections to bring in the people that we right in this area to make sure that you get the commercial inspection that you need. I have the connections to bring in the people that can help us to do that commercial inspection for you. So not only do I offer home inspections, septic, WDIR, and mold testing and consultation, we're also adding commercial inspections to better serve our community. My website is www.safeharborenc.com. And thank you to my friend Britt Treese for coming down to do this commercial property here in Jacksonville.
WBTC3.com. Thanks again.